Here we go, on the Hollywood Tower.
That's us, isn't it?
Yeah, it's our turn.
Oh no. It's like very mechanical, isn't it?
It is. Uh-oh. Oh no.
It's a very roomy restraint as well.
Here we go. Feels like we're going up in some sort of scaffolding tower. It is very clunky. So clunky. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Get ready for the clunk. Oh! Oh no! Oh!
Oh, I can see the Hollywood Tower upside down.
Somewhere up there. Oh!
That is brilliant.
Oh. No! Oh gosh! Oh, Jesus! Oh. What is this?
Hang on, what?
That's accelerating!
I mean, that's one of the scariest towers I've built.